Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 15th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a pullback ahead of the jobless claims number that's due out tomorrow. We'll get to that in just a moment. But having a look at the charts here, the Dow was lower by 445 points there, 1.86%. The S&P 500 dropping 62 points or 2.2%. The Nasdaq was lower by 122, and the Russell 2000 gave back another 53 points, or a little over 4% today. The bond market was strong, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 0.641%. Crude oil dropping about 24 cents at the official close, or a little over 1%, as the reserves build, and gold pulling back $24 today, falling in line with equities as the dollar bounced back today. Now, again, tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, the jobless claims number comes out. We will most likely top 20 million jobs lost in the last few weeks. As you can remember, last week's number came in at 6.6 million. Estimate this time around is slightly below that. It's around 5 mil, but we'll see what the real number is. Remember, that should have a significant effect on the futures the hour before the market opens. So keep an eye on those equity futures, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.